Hi folks, Joseph Kursky here with you to examine and compare different political areas, countries or U.S. states with this 3D web mapping application globe that you can see as a URL on the left side, or just do a search on the search terms that I have on the left side. Let's look at Kansas and Nebraska. Nebraska's got that panhandle up to the northwest. So if we drag Nebraska using this tool down to Kansas, we can see some overlaps and some gaps. So visually, it's hard to determine which one is actually larger. They look relatively the same size. We can drag Nebraska onto Kansas, and conversely, we can drag Kansas onto Nebraska. So this fosters several things: spatial thinking, use of web mapping applications, measurement, distance, spatial analysis. And as I always advocate on this channel, look at multiple sources. So in this case, we're verifying that, okay, Kansas is slightly larger than Nebraska. Kansas is also larger in population, as we'll investigate here in a moment, right there. Quite a bit larger in population than Nebraska. Kansas is about 3 million, Nebraska about 2 million. With this tool, again, you can examine multiple political areas, states and countries. With another tool that I have on this channel, you can compare sizes of political and physical areas on the Earth versus Mars. So again, fostering spatial thinking. Last but not least, this is cast on a 3D globe. So your measurements and your comparisons are going to be much more accurate than if you were using a 2D map, for example, cast on the Web Mercator projection. Very important point for you students and also for faculty to convey to their students. Thanks.